Look at the music, ask yourself, what is the lesson to be learned from this study? Well, you can see that it has a melody in the bass line. It's kind of an odd rhythm, and then the eighth notes are filled in with the accompaniment. So you play the melody with the thumb and the accompaniment with fingers I, M. Make sure your fingers are in a good position to obtain the best quality sound. You can practice in the beginning, just the first phrase. That would be the first phrase. The dynamics, the second time it's done again, pianissimo. Note that it says cantato el bajo, means that the singing in the bass, that's where the melody is. And also note that those bass notes have accents on them. And note also that the stems down. The stems are down where you play the thumb, and that's the melody. It's just a power chord. You play in rock and roll, the root in the fifth, right? There's another place in the song when it shifts, right? So from there, second line, second measure. Repeats softer. It's one of the few places in the Etude when something happens in the upper part, and here it is, right? So, and it has accents under there. And if you have never done it before, this is a good place to learn the bar chord, the little bar chord. And it has a C and a line through it, which means it's a half bar on the second fret. Third line, second measure. And I would say that's pretty much the climax of the piece right there. And it comes back down. Let me play that again from third line, second measure. Sorry. Routine with the bass notes and the chords. Power chord, notice the power chord is on the second fret, F sharp and C sharp, and the power chord moves to the third fret. Fourth line, first measure. So power chord, second fret, third fret, first fret. Again, fourth line, first measure. Fifth line, first measure. Then back, there's a double bar, and it's the same, if not almost the same as the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line, third measure, double bar, forte, again, cantato el bajo. Now he has different fingerings indicated here. I'm not sure why. I think this is an error on the F sharp where it says 3. I think it should be 4, right? Sorry. Morendo means dying away. Ends very soft.